How to use the words between and among properly. People sometimes use these words incorrectly. So in today's lesson, we will know the differences between them. Most of us are already familiar with the rule that between should be used for two things, while among for more than two things. But this is not the only rule. Let's try to know about them. Let's start with between. Between is a preposition and it could be used in two ways. First, it is used when we talk about two items. It could be a person, place, or a thing. Examples: is the tension between the two over? My little sister can't choose between hamburger and pizza. Do you know the difference between the words pretty and beautiful? Second, between can also be used when we talk about more than two things, as long as they are distinct and individual items. Examples: is the tension between Peter, Chuck, and Carl over? Notice that we use between here even though we talk about three persons: Peter, Chuck, and Carl. The reason why we use between here is that the three of them are distinct and individual items. Another one: my little sister can't decide between hamburger, pizza, spaghetti, and fries. Do you know the differences between the words see, look, and watch? The second word is among. Among is used when we talk about things that aren't distinct or things that belong in one group. Examples: I can't choose among these flowers. They're all beautiful. We used among here because flowers belong to one group. It wasn't individually stated. Who is the fairest among us all? Choosing among these 5 amazing singers is a very difficult job. Here's a table to help you understand more. We have here, of course, the words between and among. Let's start with between. Between is a preposition. It can be used in two ways. First, it is used to talk about two items. Examples: between you and me. Another one, it is used to talk about more than two things as long as they are distinct and individual items. Examples: between chicken, pork, and beef. The next one is among. Among, like between, is also a preposition. However, it has a different meaning. Among is used to talk about things that aren't distinct and belong in one group. Examples: among the students. For our exercise, fill the blanks with the correct words. First, she is the smartest blank us. The correct answer is among. She is the smartest among us. Why did we use among here? We used among because of the group us. Second one, I can decide blank the black, red, and green dresses. The correct answer is between. I can decide between the black, red, and green dresses. Between is the correct answer in this sentence because these dresses are stated individually and distinctly. The third one, the puppy hid blank the 2 chairs. The correct answer is between. The puppy hid between the two chairs. The fourth one, there had been a heated argument blank the committee members. The correct answer is among. There had been a heated argument among the committee members. Committee members is also an example of a group. That's why we need to use among. The last one, I think there's not much difference blank the two dresses. The correct answer is between. I think there's not much difference between the two dresses. Did you get them right?